Say good morning. Good morning. So I am the only one awake, and I'm gonna have to wake Indy soon because she has class. But since it's just me and the girls, they've been sleeping up in my room with me every night. So I just want to show you what that looks like. They alternate sleeping in this little bed and sleeping with me. So tonight was Aspen's turn, but this is what it looks like. It's so cute. Can you see? Aspen, Daisy, Indy, Reverie, Reverie. Good morning. Good morning, sweet girl. Oh my goodness. Stretches. Stretches. Say good morning. Say good morning. Oh goodness. What are you saying? Are you laughing at Mama? Are you laughing? Are you in a good mood? You slept good? What is that? What is that? Hi, baby. Reverie. Good morning. Good morning. Reverie. Good morning. So, it's snowing, and the girls are freaking out. Let me see. Wow. Look, the snow came in the house.
Wait, snow came in the house? In the house?
Okay, ready? Come here. Each of you, Indy, back up. Each of you is gonna get a bowl.
Yes.
Again,
go put your bowl outside.
I had to make
and you're gonna collect snow in it that you can eat.
Again.
I love eating snow. I love eating snow too. It's going in my bowl.
Go set your bowl on the ground. As it snows, it'll collect in your bowl. Then we'll bring your bowl in a minute, okay? You have snow in your hair.
Do I have snow in my hair? No, but if you come close to the window, then yeah, probably.
There's snow on Daisy. Come on, Daisy.
Come on, Daisy.
Woo! This baby is finally asleep. So, I'm gonna lay her down up here so she stays asleep. The snow is so pretty. Look at this. So stinking pretty.
Where are they in the backyard?
Yeah, Indy's jumping on the trampoline. She yelled, "This is awesome!"
That is awesome.
We are about to take this baby in the snow for the first time, and Aspen said that she wants to hold her, so she's gonna hold her into the snow for her very first time. Okay, ready? Oh, she's tired. Let's move this so that her, there you go. Can you hold her?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Nope, don't tip her.
No.
Let me see. Wait, let me see her.
No going on her face.
Aww. Oh my gosh, you're scaring the shit out of me. Indy. For some context, this next clip, I'm very frustrated, and this was like our 5th try trying to get a picture, and Aspen kept almost letting the baby slip, but she was crying that she wanted a turn to hold the baby, so I was trying to accommodate her and have anxiety, and it was the 20th time, and I was very frustrated, but I promised I was going to be real from now on, so I'm leaving the clips in. I also just cursed at Aspen in the previous clip. I'm a mess. Okay, keep going. Tip her forward, Azzy. No, get over here. Tip her head forward. She's not in the picture. Tip forward. Yes, like that. All right, smile.
I should have holding her.
Stand next to Indy. Next to Indy. Put your bowl down. Put your bowl down. Put your bowl down, Azzy. Smile. Abby. Smile.
I can't.
You're dropping her. Okay, ready? I'm going to put her back up higher. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Azzy, hug Indy. Smile, Indy, look at me. So cute. Good morning. Walk away. Can you see her?
It's a little blurry.
Let me see. Right there. Don't touch the screen, okay? Go to her belly. And then walk away.
They do polar bear.
Okay, good job.
Yeah, take it.
Thanks. Get your food. Who is that? She's doing a TikTok thing.
That's pretty scary.
Oh my gosh, you're a person.
Are you cold?
Guys, what a surprise, and what a good surprise. So I had already planned on ending the vlog that day, and I was gonna do short little clips and do like a week, a day in the life, but like a week in the life of a mom of 3. And I was gonna do just little clips from each day, but since it was the baby's first time seeing snow, I wanted to include all of the clips. So I was already done vlogging for the day, and I had already talked to Taylor, and if he was supposed to be coming home that day, I was gonna set up the cameras so we could film it. But he had told me later that he actually wanted to surprise me as well, so I was caught off guard. My sister was over and she was surprised as well. The girls were so surprised. I didn't end up getting the videos I wanted for like YouTube purposes, but so this is where you guys come in. I have a question. I'm gonna post, because if I added the videos to this, it would be too long. It'd be like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna add the videos in the next vlog, and then at the end of the videos of him surprising us, I want to do either I want you guys to pick. I'm also doing a poll on Instagram, so go follow me on Instagram if you want to be part of the poll. But I want to know if after the short clips of him surprising us, if you think I should do a Q&A with him where you can ask some questions and we'll answer them together at the end of that video, or if you want us to, because I didn't get the perfect videos, to reenact what we did or what our reactions were when he walked through the door, and we can kind of like set up cameras and be just like silly and like more humorous, but like go through what happened and reenact it. So comment down below if you'd rather see a Q&A or if you'd rather see us reenact it. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.